Hey guys, it's Sundberg, project manager with J&R. So we're out here in Knife River and we got our 2019 model house going up. We're a couple weeks into it, we got the slab poured, and despite the cold, we're really kicking butt. We got the structure going up behind us. So this will be featured in the 2019 Parade of Homes in May. So this home will be about 1,300 square feet. It's actually going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, pretty open floor plan, got a lot packed in there. And then off this side here, we're actually going to have a nice little carport. Just a shed roof coming off this wall for a nice 1-2 car carport. So here we are on the lake-facing side of the house. We got a 22-foot wall of glass. This will be really cool. It's a shed roof. It's going to have about an 8-foot overhang on this end here, and that's going to cover a nice stamped concrete patio out here. So there's all glass, open to the inside, open to the great room, and you should have a nice picture of the lake here through this window. So that's the gist of this one. It's going to be in the 2019 Parade of Homes in May, second week of May, so we really invite everyone to come out and take a look at it. It'll be pretty cool.